It's a beautiful day.
Yeah!
A little cat is playing on the grass.
Ooh, what's this?
Two butterflies fly by. The cat climbs up a tree.
I got it!
Uh-oh!
But oh no, it can't get down.
Hello. Woo! I'm waiting.
Tractor.
Okay.
A tractor sees the cat and tries to help.
Look at this. Woo!
The tractor falls down.
Help me!
The tree falls too and traps the tractor. A police car is on patrol. It sees the accident and calls for help.
Wow, it's a nice slide.
Dump truck.
Yeah!
Crane truck.
Woo! Hello. Let's go. Hello. Hi, guys.
The dump truck and crane truck arrive.
Okay. Hey, you. Let's go. Look at this. Okay.
The dump truck cuts the tree. But it is badly damaged.
It's my time. Yeah.
The crane truck takes the tractor to the repair shop.
Okay. That's nice.
Let's fix it. The roof is broken.
Nice.
The cab is damaged.
That's nice.
The exhaust pipe is bent.
Very nice. Yippee! Wow! It's my time.
The hood is pushed flat.
Amazing.
New parts are installed. New cab, new roof, and new exhaust pipe. 4 new tires are added.
I like it.
Look, the tractor is like new again.
Woo!
Great job.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.